Listen, I'm not even fresh. I'm just fresh out. I haven't even showered. I just got to give you this game. My t-shirt's even crinkled. Coaches, I'm begging you, please stop posting your Billy Basic, generic, crappy content. All right, talking on generic topics and just talking to everybody. You're not gonna get any leads. You're not gonna make no money. You're gonna flipping quit in a year if you keep making this shitty content. Like, I understand. Look, you've been on the gym floor, and your stupid gym manager told you you have to serve everybody and anybody. You have to be a jack of all trades, right? But that shit don't work over here in the online world. Talk to one person, and even when you talk to one person, because see people still, you've got a niche, but you're still content is very basic and generic. You need to think about that person. What are they thinking right now? What are they going through? What's their scenario? What are they Googling and struggling with, right? Once you tap into that, now you know what to talk about. And that's how you're going to get people reaching out to you. Your DM conversations are going to be better. And you're just going to have a better time on social media in general. All right. Please, if you hear this video and you carry on and you record another stupid basic video, I can't help you. Peace.